Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to start our next topic, addition and subtraction of time in hours and minutes. To understand this topic, let's look at the examples from textbook page number 213, question number 1. Let's start reading this question. Mother spent 1 hour 20 minutes at the market on Saturday and 1 hour 35 minutes on Sunday. Find the total time she spent at the market on both days. To add time, you just have to be very careful that minutes should be written under minutes and hours should be written under hours. Just add our minutes into minutes. 20 plus 35, that will be 55, and our 1 hour plus 1 hour will be 2 hours. So she spent a total of 2 hours 55 minutes at the market on both days. Look at the next example. Tim and his parents spent 2 hours 40 minutes at the bird park and 2 hours 10 minutes at the zoo. What was the total time they spent at these two places? Now you can see that again we have written minutes under minutes and hours under hours, right? Now 40 plus 10, that is 50, and 2 plus 2 will be 4. Now you can easily say that they spent a total of 2 hours 50 minutes at these two places. Now move to our next page, page number 214. Look at the third example. Mother spent 1 hour 30 minutes shopping and 2 hours 55 minutes baking cakes. What was the total time she spent on shopping and baking cakes? Now you can see that, as I have already told you, that you can only write minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes, it's for shopping time, and 2 hours 55 minutes is the baking time. Now you can easily find out the answer. 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and 3 hours 85 minutes. But in this question you can see that 85 minutes are greater than 60, right? It means you can take out 1 hour from this. If you will subtract 85 minus 60, the answer will be 25. It means you can split 85 with 60 and 25, and this 60 will become 1 hour into the hours. 3 will become 4 hours and 25 minutes. As you can see in the bubble, 85 minutes means 1 hour 25 minutes. So she spent a total of 4 hours 25 minutes on shopping and baking cakes. Move on to our next page, page number 215. Look at the next example, question number 4. On Sunday, John spent 2 hours 45 minutes drawing and 2 hours 25 minutes swimming. What was the total time she spent on drawing and swimming? Same like the previous example. Now you can easily add 2 hours 45 minutes and 2 hours 25 minutes, and your answer will be 4 hours and 70 minutes. Now you know that 70 minutes are again greater than 60. So you will split 70. If you will subtract 60 from 70, that will be 10. It means you can write down 70 easily as 1 hour and 10 minutes. This 1 hour will be added into the hours. That will become 1 hour 10 minutes. That will easily become 5 hours and 10 minutes. So John spent a total of 5 hours 10 minutes on drawing and swimming altogether. Move on to our next example, page number 216. Now this is subtraction. Look at question number 5. This is about subtraction of time into hours and minutes. Natalia took 2 hours 45 minutes to read a book. She took 1 hour 10 minutes longer than Janet to read the same book. How long did Janet take to read the book? Now you can see that Natalia times is longer than Janet, so you have to find out how much longer is the time of Natalia than Janet. You can easily subtract. Same, we have written hours into hours, as we have written hours under hours and minutes under minutes. If you subtract 45 minus 10, the answer will be 35, and 2 minus 1 will be 1. Always subtract the minutes and then subtract the hours. Do not subtract the hours first and then the minutes. So Janet took 1 hour 35 minutes to read the book. Question number 6. On Sunday, Timothy spent 4 hours 20 minutes doing his homework. He spent 2 hours 15 minutes watching television. How much longer did he spend doing his homework than watching television? Now again, you can see that 4 hours 20 minutes is greater than 2 hours 15 minutes, so we will write 4 hours 20 minutes above and 2 hours 15 minutes under the bigger number. Now you can subtract it. It is the answer will be 5 minutes and 2 hours. So Timothy spent 2 hours 5 minutes longer doing his homework than watching television. Now move to our next example on page number 217. Look at question number 7. The boys played darts for 3 hours 25 minutes. The girls played badminton for 1 hour 55 minutes. How much longer did boys play than girls? You can easily look at the example that 3 hours 25 minutes is greater than 1 hour 55 minutes. But in this example, you can observe that the greater numbers has smaller minutes and the smaller number has greater minutes. So first you will change 3 hours 25 minutes into greater minutes. How you will change it? You will take 1 hour borrow from 3 hours 25 minutes. If you take 1 hour borrow, that will not become 125. It's wrong. You will not write 125. In fact, you will take 1 hour from 3 hours. If 1 hour goes here, so you will add 60 in 25, right? When you will add 60 in 25, the hours become 2 hours, and 60 plus 25 will be 85 minutes. Now you can see that 85 minutes are greater than 55 minutes. Now you will make the sum 2 hours 55 minutes. Now you are not using 3 hours 25 minutes. You will use 2 hours 85 minutes and subtract 1 hour 55 minutes from it. The answer will be 1 hour 30 minutes. So the boys played 1 hour 30 minutes longer than the girls. In the subtraction example, you have observed that you cannot subtract before taking borrow. So you have to take borrow first and then you have to minus it. Look at the next example, question number 8. Jackie finished his homework in 1 hour 35 minutes faster than Sam. If Sam took 4 hours 10 minutes to finish his homework, how long did Jackie take to finish his homework? Now again in this question you can see that 4 hour 10 minutes is the greater time and 1 hour 35 minutes is the smaller time. But greater time has smaller minutes and smaller time has greater minutes like 35 minutes. So you will take borrow in the greater time, that is 4 hour 10 minutes. You will take 1 hour borrow from 4 hours. It will become 3 hours and 60 will be added into 10. 60 plus 10, that will be 70 minutes. Now you can see in this step that 4 hour 10 minutes can be written as 3 hours 70 minutes. Now when you will make the sum, you will use 3 hours 70 minutes in place of 4 hour 10 minutes. When you will subtract it, the answer will be 2 hours 35 minutes. So Jackie took 2 hours 35 minutes to finish his homework. Now move on to our next page. Page number 218. This is the practice page. You can do practice of these sums in your copy. Look at the first example. Look at how much time Daisy and Turtles spent doing each activity and answer this question. You can see the activity of Daisy spent playing football is 3 hours 35 minutes. Daisy spent 1 hour 10 minutes cleaning his room. Daisy spent 1 hour 20 minutes at his piano lesson. Daisy spent 2 hours 45 minutes in the library. You can see the first example. What was the total time Daisy spent cleaning his room and at his piano lesson? This is the cleaning room time, 1 hour 10 minutes, and piano lesson is 1 hour 20 minutes. You can find out the addition of these two work. On the basis of all these examples, you can attempt A, B, C and D part, all the parts in your copy. Now move on to the next page. After practicing all the work from textbook, you can see your workbook. The workbook also has given some practice of addition and subtraction of time in hours and minute. You can do page number 95, 96 and page number 97, 98 from your workbook 3P. This is all practice of addition and subtraction of time.